In recent years, the Medicare Part B premium has gone up and down like a yo-yo. We've experienced a 10-year high and last year a 3% decline. You're likely wondering if this yo-yoing is going to continue. I'm Renee Van Staveren with Connie Health. Confidently make Medicare decisions with Connie Health's local agents. Our team will guide you through your plan's benefits and the complex Medicare system, leaving you worry-free. Today we're discussing what may impact the cost of the 2024 Part B premium, predictions for the cost of the Medicare Part B premium, and when we can expect the 2024 Part B premium to be announced. Let's first look at what may impact the Medicare Part B premium in 2024. And I think the best way to look at this is actually to look at our history of Part B premium increases. If we look between 2020 and 2021, there was a 2.7% increase. But then from 2021 to 2022, we saw a 15% increase. Now that had a lot to do with Alzheimer medications that were approved, and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services reacted to that by going ahead and increasing Part B premiums for 2022. Now, in subsequent year, 2023, after that 15% increase, they actually decreased Medicare Part B premium by 3% in reaction to the fact that they overestimated the costs of those Alzheimer's medications and how much it could cost the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS and Medicare. We have a lot of factors, but I think one of the major ones is the fact that recently we had the Food and Drug Administration approve the medication Aduhelm, if I pronounce that correctly, and that was approved in July. The annual expense for that medication is close to $27,000 a year. What happened is in 2022, Leqembi, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, was approved and CMS reacted to that. They overestimated that cost and then gave us kind of a decline, so to speak, for 2023. Now we're looking forward to 2024, and there's speculation. Now that predictions for the Medicare Part B premium happened in March by the Medicare Trustees, and the new medication for Alzheimer's came out in July, along with other factors, are we looking at a higher increase than predicted back in March of this year? That's to be seen. Now, the other aspect that we want to discuss today is predictions for Medicare Part B premiums, of course. Everyone's curious. Well, back in March of this year, March 2023, the Medicare trustees did put out an estimate of 6% for the Medicare Part B premium increase. Now, if we look at 6%, that would be $9.90 increase for 2024, and that would bring the premium to $174.80, the base premium. But there's also been speculation of other increases, somewhere between the range of 6 and 15%. So if we were to go off historical numbers of what happened in 2022, you could look at something as high as a $24.74 increase at 15%, landing at $189.64 per month in 2024. We go into kind of the middle territory, well, quote unquote middle, at some predictions at 9%, you're looking at a $14.84 increase to bring that premium, monthly premium, up to $179.74. So there's quite a range there, and we're not quite sure where it's going to fall. Of course, these are all predictions, but somewhere between 6 and 15% is the guesstimate. And being that in March 2023, the Medicare trustees put out 6%, but there's been a lot of changes that have happened since March. And especially with this Alzheimer's medication, I think that kind of puts a wrench in their plan, or, in their estimates. I think that widely people are looking at somewhere between around a $10 and a $25 a month increase if you were to look at between 6 and 15%. So somewhere between 174.80 per month and 189.64 per month. Now, that's wide and far between, but this is really the yo-yoing of Medicare Part B premiums these days. We hit a 10-year high in 2022. We had a decline in 2023. Are we going to yo-yo again? 6, 9, 15%, that's yet to be seen. And what we have heard is that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services may release the Part B premiums alongside the Social Security cost of living adjustment announcement, which is supposed to come out October 12th. So there's an approximate date. We're not sure when that announcement is going to happen. That's the speculation that it'll be announced in tandem, but definitely sometime this week. So stay tuned. We're definitely interested to see how the Part B premium will pan out, if we're yo-yoing some more, and also how the Social Security COLA will help with these premium adjustments. Again, where we're thinking it's going to land, and estimates are somewhere between 6 and 15% for the Part B premium for 2024. I'm curious where you think it's going to land. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think it's going to be 6, 9, 15% higher, lower? And also, the Social Security COLA is going to be announced this week, hopefully in tandem with the Part B premium, announcement. The estimates for the COLA are somewhere around 3 to 4%. So, we have further discussions to have on how the COLA and the Part B premium work together. But I would love to hear your comments below. And, Connie Health is here to help you throughout your Medicare journey. If you like this video, be sure to click the subscribe button and share this. Thank you.